the buzzer. Now if I press it again, okay, we see the message. Hi there, it's Ahmad and welcome back. In the previous tutorial we saw how to print out a message through cloud on an LCD display with ESP32. Now in today's tutorial I'm going to add a buzzer to the project so that when we press the button on Blynk IoT app on my mobile phone, we can hear a noise, okay, and we can see a message. So that's my project. So here the buzzer, the positive side of this buzzer is connected to pin 15 of the ESP32, pin 15, and the negative side goes to ground. The buzzer, the positive side of this buzzer goes to pin 50 and the negative side to pin to ground. Now let me show you the modifications that I've made to the program. So that's our program. I added the a buzzer which is connected to pin 15. The buzzer is an output. So when the data equals to 1, we're going to print out this message and we're going to hear a noise like a warning system. And if the data gets 0 through virtual pin V0, we're going to wait 1 sec. The buzzer, the noise stops, and we're going to the LCD display. Okay guys, okay, now I need to connect the microcontroller to my PC. Now I can pick the port COM5. Okay, now I'm ready to send the program to the microcontroller. It's done. Now okay, we've just uploaded the program to the microcontroller. Now I'm going to show you how it will work. I click on Blynk IoT app. We can see the project. I click on that. Now if I press the button, we're gonna see the message hey, and we can hear the noise coming from the buzzer. Now if I press it again, okay, we see the message in the noise. Okay guys, so thank you so much, and I see you in the next video.